email. Can you email him a copy, please, Ms. Harris?
No problem. Not a problem.
Thank you, Ms. Harris. And I like your hair.
Thank you.
It's always nice, isn't it?
Yeah, but she did something a little different with it.
Okay.
Or you just fussing with it.
But it was a little too curly, so I was trying to pull it out. Mr. Goss, can you put your email? Nope, I have it.
I was about to say, you don't have my email?
Jalen, can you unmute yourself, please?
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm doing great.
What's your name? What's your full name?
Jalen Gray.
Jalen Gray. All
Yes.
right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Dan, did I get that right? Can you unmute yourself, please? You got your camera on. You can unmute yourself. I would appreciate it. Oh, I got Gibbons. All right, I have. So you don't have to unmute yourself. Good morning to you. All right, that TCL 9183W. What's your name, please?
Keith Goodwin.
Keith Goodwin. Good morning to you. Okay.
Good morning, Judge.
And then right on the telephone there at 248-361-4136. Can I get your name, please?
Javon Levine.
What is that, Levine?
Yeah.
Javon, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Is Ms. Matthews in the courtroom yet?
Not yet. You need a docket as well?
I'm sorry?
Need a docket as well?
Yeah. I was just gonna try to assist, but I as you asked, identify them, I'll rename them, but I didn't have the docket for correct spelling.
J. B. iPhone that doesn't have a name attached, is just iPhone. Your name, please.
Michael Calhoun.
No, I got you, Mr. Calhoun. Good morning to you. The
good
lady
morning,
there with the headphones on.
Nikela George.
Nikela George, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Can you do me a favor, Ms. Harris, and forward that email to Ms. Docket to Ms. Williams?
It's done. She was on it, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. 313-338-6757. Can I get a name, please?
Larticia Lewis.
Lewis?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Counselor for Gazy.
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I have everybody checked in, so none of you have to respond anymore. When I ask for somebody, I got you all checked in, and then in the order that you came in, we will do our best to try to get you out in the order that you came in as well, all right?
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
As expeditiously as possible. Calhoun. Let's see what Calhoun.
Yes.
Let's see. I may be able to get you out of here a little sooner. C-A-L-H-O-U-N, Michael, right?
Yes, sir.
What's the middle name if you have one?
Lawrence.
Lawrence. You're next door, 435 instead of 434. You got to zoom into 360 435 0000.
All right. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Yes, sir.
Counselor, does your client have registration and insurance for this vehicle?
But it wasn't his vehicle.
Does he have a vehicle?
You know that I don't know.
All right, I need to see some good registration and insurance.
My God. Your Honor,
Yes.
I did have a vehicle.
You got a lawyer there, sir?
I'm sorry?
Put you in a breakout room, speak to your lawyer.
Yeah, okay.
Ms. Williams Law, did you receive it? Mr. Goss, did you receive it?
I was just checking. I have not yet. Let me check one other.
Morning. 313-978-0599. Can I get a name, please? Good morning to you.
Yes, good
Oh, I
morning.
have it. It went to
Marshall O'Neal.
O'Neill.
Yes.
the spam folder. I got it.
Okay. Oh, gee,
I
thanks.
know. Why is that?
All right, I'm gonna put Marshall. O'Neill in the breakout room with you, Miss Harris. His option is pleading to disorderly conduct. Well, let me make sure. Let me check that first. Pleading to disorderly conduct. $240 fine, misdemeanor morality class, and testing. And he has an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, Mr. O'Neill. Speak with the lawyer, please.
Thank you.
All right, let's get going.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there's no driving while court is in session. Also, there'll be no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around or smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you.
All right, good morning, everyone. Let's start off. Yes. All right, let's do it. The city of Detroit versus Bruce Gazy. Adele Gazy. Case number is SP 1380906, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. It's a retained case. Appearance for the record, please. McCarthy.
Yeah, good evening, Your Honor. Attorney Jeff McCarty, P 42633, with me after Mr. Gazy via Zoom without objection.
Very well. Mr. Gazy, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, it's Bruce Adel Ghazi.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
How can I proceed? Today is the date and time set for pretrial, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. I've not had the opportunity to discuss the matter with the city attorney.
All right. If he doesn't have any documentation, the offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of improper plates, $240 fine. I'll dismiss the case upon payment. That has no abstraction to the Secretary of State and does not carry any points. Therefore, does not carry any points. He has an absolute right to a trial.
Well, I'd have to discuss that matter with my client, Your Honor.
Okay, you can rejoin the breakout room and see if your client wants to take the deal. If your client does want to take the deal, can you read him his advice or rights, counselor?
I could do that. I could even send him one.
Let's see if we can get you. You have one on your possession?
I have one on my phone. I could text him a copy.
Very well. Okay, I'll let you talk to your client and then we will find out what he wants to do and get back with.
Thank you.
Can you remove your hat, sir, when you come out of the breakout room, please?
Yes, sir. Yep, not a problem.
Very well. I'll pass the matter. You guys can rejoin.
There's no prompt to join the breakout.
You should be able to repopulate that prompt that you're already assigned to room 4. So go down and hit more or something like that. We'll get you back to that room.
I got you. Thank you.
Your Honor, could we please bring Mr. Marshall out of the breakout room? Please and thank you.
Mr. Danforth. If I'm not saying that all right, I apologize. Unmute yourself, please. What's he want to
Yes, sir.
do? All right, very well. This is the city of Detroit. Give me the correct pronunciation of your name, please.
Dan Quad. Kenyatta Givens.
Dan White, Gibbons, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very well. Good morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Dan Quad Kenyatta Gibbons, case numbers SP 1004037, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1011973, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 101200001. SP 1057746, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1057753. Appearance for record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Given. State your full name, Mr. Given.
We got some kind of interference there. And say it again. All right. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Let's see if we can get an offer for your client. Do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance, sir?
That's what I'm working on trying to get, sir.
Okay, how much time do you need?
A week.
All right, let me give him till April the 3rd, pretrial. April 3rd, 2023 at 8:30. Again, we'll set the matter for a pretrial, April 3rd. We'll see where you're at with that driver's license. Great. Bringing in the driver's license, registration, and insurance would go a long way to get you a good offer with these cases, all right?
Okay.
All right, April the 3rd, if you don't have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave. Have a very good day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. What's Mr. Marshall want to do? O'Neill.
Mr. O'Neill wants to enter a plea, Your Honor.
Okay. That's pretty easy. All right, Keith Goodwin.
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Keith Goodwin, case number SP 1052898, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1195681, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 4935881, 17368851, counts 1, counts 2. 18265597, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, please state your name for the record.
Keith Goodwin.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. He can either wait on a deal or go straight to trial. May the 9th, 2023 would be the trial date. What would you like to do, sir?
Plea. No.
Can we have a breakout room, please? And thank you.
You can't.
I don't know.
Join the room, please. All right, the people that are here for trial, I know that, Mr. Gray, Jalen Gray, we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from the time, that, and from nine, from 9 o'clock, so that 9:30. They don't show up by 9:30, we'll call the case. If they do show up earlier than that, we will get you an offer and get you in the breakout room with your lawyer, okay?
Okay.
I forgot who's on the phone at, is that Jay Bond? Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. Okay, counselor. What's your client want to do?
He wishes to avail himself of the offer, Judge.
Oh, very well. All right, Mr. Ghazi.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, well, let's go back on the record with Bruce Ghazi. Giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room.
Yes, I have.
Counsel also tells me you wish to take the deal.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
In counsel in the breakout room, your counsel went over your advice or rights, the rest of your advice or rights in the breakout room, did you not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, you'll be giving up those rights once you take this plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to August the 18th, 2022 at around 10:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of, what is that? Newman? In Farm Hill?
State Fair and between John R. and Woodward.
All right, were you in that area at that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Get in contact with the Detroit Police Department.
I'm sorry, your
Did you have
audio.
contact Detroit Police Department on that day? Around that
Yes,
day?
I came in contact with them one time,
All
yes.
right. You came in contact with them, or did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance for this vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, Your Honor, the owner was not present and I took the car for a test drive, which he gave me the keys, and no, Your Honor.
So you couldn't produce insurance. All right. Are you satisfied, counselor?
Judge, yeah, I thought this was an improper plate offer.
Yeah, it's amended. We took the
Okay.
beyond actual charge, but same difference. You satisfied with the factual basis?
I am, Judge.
All right, with that, I find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates. Fine you $240, sir. I told you I dismiss upon payment. Has no license repercussions whatsoever. And the misdemeanor will be dismissed once you satisfy the judgment. And with stipulation of probable cause, counselor, I'll dismiss the other matter.
Yeah, Judge, there's actually two matters associated with this stop.
With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss that other matter.
So stipulated.
Very well. So, sir, 240, when can you pay?
I can pay that today.
All right, I'm gonna put in 7 days at the least, so that make sure you get in here. I'll set a review date for 3/21/2023 at 8:25. You pay that at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I'm told you can upload that that app to your phone, or you come down to the court and pay it in person. Once that's paid, we'll dismiss the case. If you want to see it through, you show back up 3/21/2023 at 8:25, and we'll make sure that gets dismissed. If you don't pay it, you have to show back up. If you do pay it, you don't have to show back up. You understand, sir?
Sounds good, Your Honor.
All right, you and your counsel have a very good day. Good luck to you both.
You too. God bless.
As well.
Let's go back on the record with Keith Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, I've given you opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout.
Court. Your Honor,
Yes,
okay, you were muted for a moment.
yeah, I muted myself because it's Ms. Love. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, I give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, after discussion, my client is respectfully requesting a trial date. He's also requesting that the court, if he needs to, would allow him to pay reinstatement fees. I believe he is prepared to take a road test soon.
I think he needs to. I think he can just go and take that road test. These cases are old. Let me just do one little glance at some of the cases. I think he needs to just go to the Secretary of State. Trial date is going to be May 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m. sir. If it's nothing further, you don't have any questions, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Donna, what was that date? I apologize.
May 9th, 2023
Thank
at
you.
9 a.m. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Javon James Levine. Case numbers SP 1255770, count 1 and counts 2. SP 1255817, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1310950, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, Your Honor.
Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry
Yes, sir.
Jr. on behalf of Mr. Levine, state your full name, sir.
Javon James Levine.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrants. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I will set aside the defaults on the civil infraction cases that I called that were in default. You have the same option as Mr. Goodwin and the others. You can take the matter straight to trial, or you can wait on a plea.
I can wait on the plea.
All right, let's pass the matter until I get Mr. Dawson here for a deal.
I
All
didn't
right,
do
on that
anything wrong.
iPhone with the camera off, what is your name, please? Mr. Goodwin, you're still here? You got that date, May the 9th. You're free to leave unless you want to watch the show.
All right.
You got the date? Mr. Goodwin, what's going on, Mr. Goodwin? You understand what's going on? Does your client understand what's going on?
I believe so, Your Honor. We had a discussion in the breakout room. If you can't find the leave button, you might have to tap your screen to see it.
We can put him out.
Put him out.
I was gonna see if he had a question.
Oh, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. He left.
Oh, okay.
No, it wasn't me.
All right, the iPhone, can you state your name? You need to turn your camera on and your volume on your mic on, please. iPhone.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. No, that's not the one I'm looking for.
Okay.
iPhone.
And the iPhone.
All right.
Who you looking for?
Where's the Samsung device? Who was on the Samsung device?
This with Javon.
All right. They're not gonna. I'm gonna keep getting the same person that I just called into the record to say something. I'm not talking to you, Mr. Levine.
Oh.
Well, let's keep on going. Leonard, Anthony Leonard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that Anthony Allen Leonard?
Yes.
So this is why I want that iPhone to say something. If that iPhone doesn't say anything and the other one does, you're gonna get ahead of you in line.
You said my iPhone not saying nothing?
No, I need the iPhone that I tried to call.
Oh,
If you're on an iPhone and your device does not have your name attached and it just says iPhone, so everyone pay attention to what your device says on the screen. If it doesn't simply say iPhone, the judge is not talking to you. On the iPhone, unmute your device and identify yourself, please, for the record.
Well, now we have two iPhones in the room, but let's go with the second one. The second
Andre
one.
Green.
Mr., are you looking at your device says Dre G. It doesn't say iPhone.
Okay. I thought I changed my name on there.
Does
I
you
thought I was
see Ashanti Love on there? Because I don't see my name.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, here's a suggestion.
Just everybody mute themselves. Just everybody mute themselves. That's it. All right, there's the. What's your name, sir?
Sorry.
What's your name, sir, on the iPhone?
Andre Green.
Oh my God.
Anthony Allen.
So Your Honor, here's a suggestion for everybody. There's a tab that says participants. You might have to tap your screen to see it. You may have to tap more. If it says participants, tap that tab. What pops up is everybody that's in the meeting. You'll see in parentheses one that says me. That would be you. So it has your name, or it might say iPhone me. If you tap the three dots next to it, you can then click to rename yourself. But if you see a name, like I see Attorney Cherika Harris next to mine, then you don't have to do anything. But if it simply says iPhone, you have to tell us your name so that we can help you rename your device. I hope that helps.
And then, wait a minute, the basic thing is, if you've already identified yourself, Mr. Green, you don't have to say anymore. Thank you. All right.
It's my first time Zoom meeting. I had no idea.
Is that your first time being identified, though, sir?
No, when you said iPhone, I didn't know if you were speaking about me or not. So that's what I did, Andre. I just wanted to make sure I have credit for today. That's all.
All right, let's go with the iPhone. Who is that iPhone?
DeAndre Little.
DeAndre Little. Good morning to you, sir. Good morning to you, Mr. Green.
Good morning.
Let's see, DeAndre Little. he's gonna be up jump the other iPhone, because the other iPhone never said anything.
Your Honor, did you call Javon Levine?
Oh my God.
One moment, Mr. Levine.
All right, Mr. Little, we're gonna wait. Your officer is gonna have a half-hour grace period. We got one officer here that will, but they don't come by 9:30, the rest of them will call their cases, all right? All right, we're on, Mr. Levine, we're on the record with you. We already talked to you. We're already waiting on an offer for you.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
All right, do you remember that conversation?
I had previous of it.
Okay. Let's move on to Anthony. Anthony Leonard. City of Detroit versus Anthony Allen Leonard. Case numbers SP 11013351, SP 1178301, counts 1 and counts 2. Let's see, okay, SP 1300701, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1307513, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 1317830, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 1317851, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1325301, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 132530221. And my cases, they are 202696620, counts 1 and count 2. What's your date of birth, Mr. Anthony Leonard?
March 31st, 1984.
We're also going to call B128463222. B128463222. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of Mr. Leonard, state your full name, Mr. Leonard.
Anthony Allen Leonard.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrants. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, did you stay at anywhere on Chelsea Street, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'll enter not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give a $0 bond, and I'll recall all the warrants. See if this is him too. No. All right. I don't know why. Wait a minute. Let's see if we have the right Leonard. Anthony Allen Leonard Jr. You say your birthday is you say your birthday is
March 30.
31st. You don't
No.
do you have these tickets?
No, my birthday is March 31st.
So all these other tickets are not you?
No, no.
All right, scratch all of that. So are you Junior, Anthony Allen Leonard Jr.?
Yes.
So there's another.
So all those cases, Your Honor, strike from the record?
Right from the record, except for B 128-46322.
The last one.
Yeah, that is not in warrant status. That's a dog case. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir, or you can plead straight up to this ticket, and we'll take it under a delayed sentence. I can allow you to speak, but let me see that one thing. That's somewhere. All right. So we're only talking about B 128-46322. It's a dog case, and I can allow you to speak with your attorney about that. Who's on this case?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. You can find out whether he wants to take a plea, $240 fine. We'll take a 6-month delay. The dog doesn't get in any more trouble. We'll dismiss the case. If he wants to go to trial with it, then that's his prerogative. If he wants to take a plea, then you can read him his advice and rights, please.
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please, Mr. Leonard. All right, let's move on. We need an offer for Mr.
I have to.
That would leave us with Letitia Lewis. City of Detroit. Martisha and Lewis, case number SP 1373587, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Ms. Lewis, you need to press star 6. Okay. State your name for the record, Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, are you there?
She's on 2 devices, Your Honor.
Yeah, she's on that phone. I'll press star 6 on the phone to unmute yourself, please. Star 6 on the phone to unmute yourself, please.
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Take your name for the record. Good morning to you.
Larticia Lewis.
Artisha Lewis, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. We're gonna have to give Ms. Lewis an offer on this. I don't know what the city wants to do with these two cases.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay, I had asked for a court-appointed attorney,
Okay.
and
Contact
no one
you.
ever called me.
All right, let's see if we can get a court-appointed attorney counsel on the line now, please. For this Larticia Lewis. All right, we'll sit back. We'll see if we can get somebody on the line right now, okay?
Okay.
All right. Are we back on the record with, are we back with anybody? No. All right. So
We were ready on Mr. Marshall, who was gonna take a plea. I mean, Marshall O'Neill, I apologize.
Yeah. Let's see. He wants to give up that easy, huh? All right, Mr. O'Neill, are you there? Mr. O'Neill, are you there?
And he's muted. It's *6, Mr. O'Neill, to unmute.
Why don't you read this complaint here? Send this
Hello?
that complaint. Hold on a second, sir. Hold on. Send that complaint. All right, George. Nikila George. Is Nikila George there? Nikila George there. All right, no answer. You're on the phone, press *6. You're letting them in without, I don't get a chance to write them down.
No, it was an officer, Your Honor. That's the only person that I let in.
Where's Mr. Gunther? I didn't see Mr. Gunther. He doesn't have a device anyway. All right, no Nikila George. So let's move on. Love Lady. I think Love Lady may be here for a trial. No? I know Officer Hope is here for Love Lady, so I don't know why.
So James.
Yeah, James Lovely, I'm here.
No, I'm not talking about James. I'm talking about Tierra.
Tierra? Yes.
All right, that officer is here for you. Oh, that's lovely. Okay. Let's go with Tierra Lovely.
I hope ain't nobody skip me, Your Honor. Javon Levine.
I skipped you, sir. You said you wanted an offer. You're going to have to wait on the offer, okay?
Okay, you know how long that would take?
No, I don't. Mr. Goss, are you online?
Or a trial? I'll take a trial.
You want a trial date?
Yeah, cause I ain't doing nothing wrong.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Javon James Levine. You want a trial date? I'll set a trial date for you for May the 9th at 9 a.m. All right?
May the 9th at 9. Okay, what's the May 9th? Hold on, May 9th at 9. That's just another court date?
That's a trial date, yep.
Who do I call?
You just zoom back in. Try to get a valid license. Try to bring a valid license on that day.
I didn't drive.
I didn't ask you whether you drove or not. Try to bring a valid license, sir.
Oh, a valid license.
All right. You have any further questions?
Yeah. So I was playing not guilty. That's what I'm saying.
You pled not guilty, right?
Yeah.
And you said you didn't do anything, so they said you did. So let's go to trial and see how it shakes out. I'm just telling you it'll help you to bring a valid driver's license in.
Okay. What would the what would my bond be?
I gave you a $0 bond, sir.
What'd you say?
I gave you a $0 bond.
I don't know what that is.
What? That means you don't have to post any money, sir.
Oh, okay. So my case should be closed, right?
No. Here, put him in a breakout room with Miss Harris. Explain to this young man, please. Let's see. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. The lawyer can explain to you, sir.
All right.
I think he's in there, Miss Harris.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What are we gonna do with Mr. Leonard?
Mr. Leonard seeks a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Leonard. Mr. Leonard, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Is that what you want to do, sir?
I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do? Bench trial?
Yes, take it to trial.
All right. May 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tierra Geneva Lovelady, case number SP 138-18381, SP 138-186-9, counts 1 and counts 2, and 18-514-0561. Appearance for the record, please.
L.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, state your full name.
Tierra Geneva Lovelady.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have a valid license, Ms. Lovelady?
Yes.
Runner license. Do you have valid insurance and plates on this vehicle?
Yes.
Let's see the valid insurance and plates, please.
My insurance or do you got?
Say that again.
I got my registration. I just got it in my ID. My license. My insurance was actually in the car. I didn't bring it in.
Hold on. I'm gonna pull the license up myself. I need to see valid registration and insurance.
Okay. So my insurance is in the car.
Go get it.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Pass the matter until she gets her documents together. And then we will on, get back to her.
If Mr. Levine could be brought out of the breakout room, he wanted to confirm that date with the court.
Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Levine, let's go back on the record last time, Mr. Levine.
Yeah,
you need-
yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead. What's your question,
So you
please?
said May 9th at 9 o'clock, that's when I return?
That's correct.
Okay, I had no more questions then.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, you have a good day. All right.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Zaire, Alexis Little, case number 17-233-216, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here. Name is pronounced Janae Alexis Little.
Say that again.
It's pronounced Janae Little.
You're breaking up. I couldn't hear you.
Janae Alexis Little.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's right down here. Z-H-A-R-E-E.
Yeah. When I pulled over by the officer, they said I had warrant. It's not how you spell my name or anything. So,
are you contesting that it's you?
that can I contest that it was me?
Are you contesting that it was you?
I'm not contesting that it was me, but I already paid for it because then I had warrants, and it wasn't no way to not prove that it wasn't me or not. I don't have a car. I didn't have a car.
Oh, what's your date of birth?
1694.
This goes back to 2017. Put appearance on the record. Who's representing Ms. Little?
Can you repeat that?
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Little.
Okay.
For purposes of arraignment. Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, Your Honor.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. And what we will do is give your client an opportunity. Either you have a valid license, Ms. Little?
Yes, I can get one. I could.
I don't know why her device is breaking up.
Yeah, I'm free to go.
Who's that?
That's Mr. Levine, Your Honor.
Am I free to go?
You've been free to go.
Oh, my fault. Okay, I will go.
You too.
Can you hear me now?
What's your name? Joseph Pernicano. Pernicano? Yes. All right, that's Mrs. Lewis. Sign on. If you sign on to Zoom, I can put you in a breakout room. Okay, very good. Thank you. Let's run Miss Little's license, please. And her name is an N instead of an R. All right, we're gonna set aside the warrant in or not guilty plea on your client's behalf. And you indicated you don't have a vehicle. So this may be something that we need to just set a trial date for, Miss Harris.
You didn't, I don't think you paid for it, Ms. Little. Did she post a bond, Your Honor? Did you post a bond?
I paid $400.
Yeah, you posted a bond, ma'am. Posted a bond. Here, explain to her what's going on.
I'm not going in no trouble,
Ms.
bro.
Harris, and let me know.
Miss
these are
Little,
two
we can
policies.
still hear you though, Miss Little. Let's just go into the breakout room instead of you saying that in open court. Let's just go into the breakout room, please.
How you do that?
All right.
I do, Your Honor. This Tier Love lady back. I have a paper.
Yeah, you have your, she's not licensed, she doesn't have a license, Miss Harris. She doesn't have a license.
In the breakout room.
All right, well, let's see what you have, Miss Lovelady. Let's go back on the record with Tierra Lovelady. All right, let me see. It's gonna be hard to read.
I have to print it out.
That's gonna be hard to read. All right, let's see, Miss Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your court-appointed lawyer, okay?
Okay.
2 years ago, 3 years ago, 2020.
Do you have a way you can fax that in? Can you email that to me or something?
Yes, I could email it to you.
Put my email address.
Yes, I can email it to you.
I'll put my email address in the chat.
Okay.
Blue Trailblazer. That's what it was.
All right, y'all are talking on the line, and I can hear you talking. You have to mute yourself, please. I put the email address in the chat, Ms. Lovelady. Davion Griggs.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I got another case. Your Honor, I had another case with a firearm.
Who is this?
This Javon Levine. I had a firearm case.
I won't even comment on that.
What'd you say?
I said I won't even comment on that, sir.
I'm just trying to get my firearm back.
Well, I don't see a firearm case.
So can I go get it back?
Know anything about it?
Then why was it? That's what they tried to take me to court for.
I thought you had long left the room.
I did. I had to call back, but that was kind of important too. That case was kind of important, so I called back.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
I don't see any firearm case.
So can I call second precinct to get my firearm back?
I don't know. I don't know anything about it. You call the second precinct. That's between you and the second precinct. I don't know anything about it.
Okay, I gotta find this out.
All right. Good luck to you.
All right.
Some people just shouldn't have guns. Let's go ahead on, a bunch of iPhones on there now. I don't know which one it was, but let's move on.
We're ready on Miss Little.
Are we ready on Miss Little? Miss Little doesn't have a driver's license. Let's go back on the record with Miss Little. Miss Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, after discussion, Your Honor, my client wishes to have a trial set in the matters. I believe she also will be going to the Secretary of State to try to get her license. If there are reinstatement fees, she would like to be able to pay those upfront.
Is that what you want to do, Miss Little?
Yes.
All right. I'm setting her a trial date for May the 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m. It's nothing further. Have a very good day, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Davion.
Okay.
Mikel Griggs. Let's say the state of Michigan versus Davion Griggs. Case number SX4129048, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of Mr. Griggs, state your full name, Mr. Griggs. Mr. Griggs,
Yes, Your Honor.
state your name, your full name.
Diavion Mikel Griggs.
Diavion. All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I don't know what the state offers on a. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his license, please. You want to take the better driver's course? See if they'll give you a better offer on this careless driving ticket. You have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay. Yes, I'll do that.
Okay. I'm putting the better driver's information in the chat. Can you run his license, please?
And I had another matter too.
Yeah, this is going to be the misdemeanor. Hold on.
You said the misdemeanor?
Yeah, misdemeanor driving while license suspended.
And I had a careless driving.
Yeah, careless driving. I'm setting aside the default for the careless driving, giving you an opportunity to take the course to mitigate the careless driving. That's a 3-point offense. You see the driver's course in the chat. Click the link to the chat and then take a screenshot of that has the driver's course and my email address. You can send me the certificate ahead of your next court date.
Okay.
I'm going to give you a pretrial date for May the 3rd, 2023. Make sure you have that in the file before you come back to court, that driver's course, making sure they send that to me, and we'll get you an offer on that date. I do have a valid driver's license for you.
Yes.
So pretrial 4/3/2023 at 8:30. You're going to take the better driver's course.
Okay.
And come back. We'll get you an offer. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
You're Mr. Latham Mahoney.
Latham?
Yeah.
All right, you can all right, let's, as soon as I get that email, Ms. Lovelady, and looking at those documents, I'll get you out of here, but I don't see it yet.
I sent it.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ashanti Michelle Love, case number SP 1333891. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Love, please state your name for the record.
Ashanti Michelle Love.
All right, today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Ms. Love. Today is the date and time set for
Show cause, and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. And yes, one of two options. She can plead right now, pay $240, will dismiss the case, or she can go to trial. She can't do any worse. She can only do better, or it'll stay the same on the date of the trial on May the 9th. What would you like to do, ma'am? It's a $240 fine, 0-point offense. I'll dismiss upon payment. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, speak with her, and ask her questions if you need to. All right.
And just put it on the side. I'm just gonna get the text then. And then already question. Yes. We're gonna set it for a bench trial. Do I need to go on the record for that?
Yes.
Okay, very well.
Very well. All right. Ms. Lewis, are you there? Still. All right, Ms. Lewis, are you there?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, we're recalling the case of the city of Detroit versus Lartisha Ann Lewis. Case numbers SP 1373587, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing as appointed counsel for Ms. Lewis. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Lartisha Ann Lewis.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a pretrial on this matter. I have had an opportunity to speak with my client, and at this time, we're asking the court to set this matter for a bench trial.
Okay, is that what you want to? Okay. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set the matter for a bench trial. The trial date is going to be April the 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
That'd be on Zoom, Your Honor.
That would be on Zoom.
Thank you very much.
All right,
Okay, you said April
Nothing
9th?
further.
April 9th.
May, strike that. May the 9th. I'm sorry, strike that. May the 9th.
Yes, Your
May
Honor.
the 9th
May the 9th, Ms. Lewis. If it's nothing
at
further,
9:20?
at 9 a.m.
Oh, 9 a.m.
All right. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank
Your Honor.
you.
All right, Mr. Kirkconnell.
Have a good day.
Your Honor, may the reporter get the spelling of counsel's last name?
P as in Paul, ERNICANO.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
All right, have a great one. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. Ms. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in a breakout room. Counsel, what's your client do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date, but also there is a civil infraction that should follow. We move to set aside the default.
I didn't see a civil infraction on that one. I don't think it ever hit the system.
Good to know. Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't see a civil infraction. I'll look up one other way. Nope. So we'll get a trial date, and that date is going to be May the 11th. May the 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right.
Am I supposed to just join the meeting again at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you said May 11th at 9 a.m.?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too.
What do you got?
Miss Sharice Lynch. But
Okay. All the way to.
yeah, but the thing is, like,
Yeah, 425 is a virtual forum only.
Okay.
So it's not.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Michael William O'Neill, case number SP 137-67671. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. O'Neill.
Okay.
State your full name, Mr. O'Neill.
Michael William.
Oh, there's two O'Neills on here.
I know this is Michael William O'Neill.
Anytime you see that.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. O'Neill, your offer is going to be pleading as charged, $240 fine. I'll dismiss the case upon payment. You have an absolute right to a trial. You too. You can't do any worse. You can only do better or to stay the same at the date of trial. What would you like to do?
I would like to plead guilty, yep.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Make sure he knows his advice and rights, and we'll take the plea. Join the room, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marshall Earl O'Neill, case number U63478-722. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, please state your name for the record.
Marshall Earl O'Neill.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Did you get the opportunity to review that ticket, Counselor?
I did, Your Honor. And again, Mr. O'Neill, my advice is that you set the matter for trial. But I do respect that it's your decision how you proceed. Mr. O'Neill, how did you want to proceed on this case?
Actually, you said it's your advice to do what now?
My advice, again, is to set the matter for trial.
To set it for trial? Okay, I'll set it for trial.
All right, if that's what you want to do, sir, I'm going to give you a trial date of May 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Next time, sign in so you can zoom in so we can see you, sir, all right?
Okay, appreciate it. You said May the 11th?
May the 11th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Is this your phone number you're calling in from?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you. See you back May 11th.
Okay, thank you.
All right, did Officer Canada ever show up? All right, let's call Christian Olafoye. Did I get that pronunciation right? I know I probably did.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did I get it right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's call the cases. This is City of Detroit versus, why is it two different dates on here?
No idea, Your Honor.
I'm sure you don't know. This is City of Detroit versus Christopher Okoye, case number SB 1222107, counts 1 and counts 2. And SB 1222108, counts 1 and counts 2. Here for the rest, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record, sir.
Christopher Raffaele.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. And then here's the issue. It's 2 dates, and I don't know why there's a mistake, I'm sure. One has trial set for today, and the formal hearing on the 2 other tickets that arose out of the same stop for Thursday.
What's his name?
So I'm gonna presume that Officer Canada probably got both notices. So Officer Canada is not here today, and I don't have any reason for his absence. So go ahead, Counselor.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
It is now 9:48. No officer. Shut-off time was 9:30. But to dismiss the case, no officer. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Appreciate it, Your Honor.
All right, I'm good. Marcus Garner. Are we ready on Mr. O'Neill?
Ready on Mr. O'Neill.
All right. All right, this is, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael William O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. You don't want to take this plea, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, sir.
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. O'Neill, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
That Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understood those rights?
I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
And you know you'll be giving up those rights upon taking this plea?
I do, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to take you back to my birthday, October 2nd, 2022, at around 12:45 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fisher and Brush. The people say you were turning it up that day, sir.
Yes, I was.
Literally and figuratively.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
And how were you turning it up, sir?
I was tailgating outside for a Lions game. And
okay, and you had a can of beer in your hand?
Yes,
And you were drinking that beer
I did.
in public, right?
Correct.
Did you have a good time that day, sir?
I did.
Unfortunately, it puts a $240 damper on it, huh?
Yes.
All right. Are you satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied. I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged. I told him I'd fine him $240. I'll dismiss the case upon payment. When can you pay, sir? Oh, you just went out when he talked about the money, Mr. Barry. Okay, we have him back. When can you pay, Mr. O'Neill?
Yes, sir. I can pay it today.
All right, you two, I'm gonna give 7 days to make sure that gets to the system. Pay it and it's in here. We'll close it out. You don't have to show back up, but you can more than welcome to see it through on March 21st, 2023 at 8:25. If it's not paid, you got to show back up and explain to the court why it's not paid. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, and or you can come down to the 36th District Court and make that payment in person. All right, sir?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. All right. If nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Miss Love Lady, I still don't have it. You got to check and make sure you put the right email address in. For the people that are here for the trials, I'm gonna just summons the city attorney into the court so he can get some offers so we can get people on their way.
I'm here, Your Honor.
In the meantime, there we are. Mr. Goss, I have Mr. Little, DeAndre, Gasaway.
Mr. Little is going to be a FTD. On Officer Presley's matters. And dismissal of the one other one by Officer Presley, and dismissal of both of Officer Lord's tickets.
Say that again. I got dismissal of Officer Lord's.
Correct.
FTD for Officer Presley.
And dismissal of the other Officer Presley's matter. He had two matters.
Dismissal of the other Officer Presley's matter.
Right.
And then what else? So just one count of FTD?
Yes, Your Honor. And the other ones, the officers didn't show. So their attorney can make, and Officer Lawrence did appear. And Mr. Gatt.
I saw Officer Lord here. You're not asking him to plead to anything on Officer Lord, right?
Correct.
All right, so let me put him in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. $240 fine. That's going to abstract to the Secretary of State. It will not carry any points, but it will potentially lead to an additional 30-day suspension at least. So let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry, discuss that with him. And if he wants to take the plea, freedom his advice to rights, please. All right, who do we have next?
Gasaway.
Gasaway.
Right.
The officer.
It's an FTD for Officer Borsch, and dismiss the other matter for Officer Borsch.
And then the other ones are no officer.
Correct.
Mr. Gasaway, yours is going to cause you further implication. You have a driver by license revoked that is going to abstract to the Secretary of State. So it was going to likely put you in another predicament with further extending your ability to get a license, however long that is. And then I'll fine you $240. All right, I'm gonna give you a chance to speak to an attorney as well when Mr. Harris gets back. Okay, who else do you have? There's no Hall Owen, the attorney Owen, Hall Owen.
That's a state
Officer
trooper.
Owen has not appeared. Or Hall. All right, so that's gonna be a dismissal for Gordon.
And for Jalen Gray, it's going to be an FTD for Officer Thornton and dismiss the other matter.
Okay.
And,
Very well.
And Corporal Hope is here on James Lovely, which he is not here.
James
Oh, yes,
Lovely
he is. I see
But
James
there's no
Lovely.
trial. There's no trial
It's
for Lovely.
scheduled for a formal hearing on at 8:30.
Oh,
Expired plates and no proof of insurance.
I don't know what time Corporal Hope came in then. All right,
Okay.
so Mr. Lovely is here as well.
Okay.
I'm here.
Since it's a formal hearing, the officer can handle that because it's a formal hearing, Your Honor.
Very well.
Okay.
Okay, let's go call Marcus Dion Garner. This is the city of Detroit workers, Marcus Dion Garner, case number SP 136-09441, SP 136-2170, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Garner, please state your name for the record.
Marcus Dion Garner.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Garner, I don't know if you've ever had a driver's license before, but the offer is going to be failure to display, $240 fine. That is going to affect your ability to get a license for at least 30 days, but you have a driver's license never acquired. So I don't know how that's going to affect you moving forward, but that's the offer. You have an absolute right to a trial, and I'll dismiss the other 2 tickets. And you can speak to Mrs. Harris in a breakout room. What would you like to do, sir?
Speak to the counsel in breakout room.
Okay. Join the room, please.
Would you like me to wait till Mr. Berry comes back?
Not necessarily. Go ahead. It shouldn't take that long. I'm going to speak to Miss Lovelady in the meantime. Miss Lovelady, I did get, I got some insurance information on this car. Not your vehicle?
Yes.
But that insurance is not in your
No.
name. So how does that work?
The insurance out of my name is I was the one driving the car. That's why I received the ticket.
The car in your name?
Yes.
I don't know how that works, how you can get insurance and not have. What about the title? You didn't show me you didn't give me the registration.
I have that too. You need me to email it to you?
Yeah, I would like you to. Let's see if I can make it out. You can hold it up. I think it's okay. that window open behind you is creating a lot of. I'll see if I can make it out. Hold it up, please. All right, that's a lot better. Okay, I see it. All right, very well.
Garner, are we back on the record on that case?
No, not yet. I'll see if I can find her summary. Here it is. All right. Let's go back on the record with Miss Love Lady. I have a valid driver's license. I have valid, well, I have insurance. And I have valid registration. I'm gonna go ahead and just give you a break this time, Ms. Lovelady, and dismiss for providing valid documentation, all right?
Thank you.
All right, there's nothing further. I'm gonna waive the warranty as well. All right, there's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
You too.
Thank you. All right, Miss George, you left when I called your name.
I think you need to schedule it to 4:25.
All right, what's going on with Garner?
Your Honor, that's his offer even though he's taken the course?
Well, I don't know if he took the course. He did take, well, you know, you can talk to Mr. Goss about it and find out if you can get a better deal for him.
Okay, he indicates he has taken the course and that I think something was supposed to be submitted.
All right, let me
Is that
see
right,
if
Mr. Garner?
Yes.
And what email address did you submit it from?
425-0000.
No, when I got through with it, they said they was gonna send a link to the courthouse. I called Dante Goss yesterday to try to get the code, and it was a SP36, and they supposed to send it to that.
You called Mr. Goss himself?
I called and left him a message. Yeah, but I completed it yesterday. I had an email. I had my student number and everything.
Find out what Mr. Goss wants to do with it. Mr. Goss, are you there?
I'll send a message.
Send him a message. Okay, we'll pass that matter. Finally, we got Miss Nikela Sheree George. Is she back? Is she there?
Yes. Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Nikela Sheree George, case number SP 1243276, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1243286, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Miss George. State your full name, Miss George.
Nikela Sheree George.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand muted.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. And I'll go one step further and I will waive the, I'll set aside the default. All right, do you have a valid license, Ms. George?
Yes, I had a valid driver's license.
You have one now?
Because of this ticket, it was suspended.
All right, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to get that driver's license reinstated. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, at the time I did have a valid insurance. I emailed everything to you.
All right, I need to get a driver's license valid. So on the
I mean, my license was valid. This is me.
It's not valid now, is it?
It's because of this ticket that I received from the city of Detroit. They suspended my license.
All right, and I want you to have a valid driver's license before we do anything with these cases.
No, I can't get a valid driver's license until I clear the cases. I already went to the Secretary of State and I came down there. I had a valid driver's license.
You want a valid driver's license or not, Ms. George?
Yes.
Okay, come down to the courthouse. Pay $45 reinstatement fee up front on that no proof of insurance civil infraction that I set aside the default. And then wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State, okay?
Okay, I had insurance. I submitted everything, the driver's license and insurance, so I'm not understanding.
Put her in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. She's got a no ops on person. So what that tells to me is that you very well could have had a valid driver's license at the time, but you probably didn't show the or have your purse with you and be able to show the officer or something. I don't know. I don't know what happened. So if you had a valid, I don't know if you've had a valid driver's license on that day. I don't know. All I know is that I'm trying to get you a valid driver's license, and then we can dispose of these cases. And I'll look at your insurance and whatever else documents you said you had. But until you get a valid driver's license, I'm not even going to pay attention to any of that stuff. All right? Unless you want to take a plea today.
Okay, can I go to the breakout room? Because I'm not understanding. I had a valid driver's license. I can't get my driver's license back because of these tickets.
And because you don't want to listen.
No, that's why I asked, could I go to the breakout room? I am at work and it's really loud.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. All right.
We're ready on this. Yes, okay, Your Honor, we're ready on Mr. Little.
Okay, I'm gonna put Ms. George, wait on the attorney in the breakout room, Mr. George, he'll be there in a minute.
Okay, how do I go there? Oh, just push join.
All right. Mr. Little.
Yes, sir. Hey, Your Honor, I had
Enough, Mr. Little. Never mind, Mr. Lewis. Never mind, Mr. Lewis.
All right. All right, Mr. Little, what is your date of birth?
March 4th, 1993.
March 4th, 1993. Did you ever stay on Barton Street?
I stayed on 7 Mile and Hoover all my life.
All right. All right, let's call the case the City of Detroit. Right. Okay. This is the City of Detroit versus DeAndre Jordan Little, case number SP-123-1404, counts 1 and counts 2. SP-123-14131. SP-131-32701. SP-131-32703. SP-142. Hold on, that's not on the docket. Let's see why. That's because he got new tickets. All right, SP-959-537, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP-971-854, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Little. State your full name, Mr. Little.
DeAndre Jordan Little.
All right, today is the date time set for a trial in the matter. Let's start off with the SP 123-1404, count 1 and count 2. Is there an officer, Gianni? Hearing no response, you want to make a motion, Councilman?
Motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. No officer.
Very well. I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss. No officer. Who's that? All right, and then SP 123-14131, same officer. I'm going to dismiss, no officer. Let's go with SP 131-327-01 and count 3. That's the FTD. That's the one he wants to take the deal on, right?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
SP 959537, counts 1, 2, and 3. That's Officer Vickers. Want to make a motion on that?
Yes, Your Honor. The motion is for dismissal, there being no officer.
All right, I'm going to grant that motion. Then we got SP 971854, counts 1 and counts 2. That's Officer Jason Lord. He was here, but those are going to be dismissed per plea. All right, you want to take this deal, sir?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Berry, okay, we'll arraign him on those other matters. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail? And
Yes, sir.
you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand Mr. Berry went over some of the other constitutional or vice rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir, you did.
Let's also call 15-475-1142 into the record. City of Detroit versus DeAndre Jordan Little. Is there a Officer Hay? Officer Hay, dismiss, no officer. Not seeing that officer come in the room. Also, sir, did you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
You have a question about those rights?
No, I'm fully aware of everything that was told to me.
And you know you'll be giving up those rights of taking this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me draw your attention back to let me draw your attention back to February the 10th, 2022 at around 6:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hoover and Pinewood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with Detroit police?
Yes, Your Honor. I got into a severe car accident where I lost my tooth and I got 43 stitches in my tongue.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that, sir. I hope you're on the mend. On that date and time, sir, that officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
I was like in and out of consciousness, so I really don't remember.
Let me ask you this way. You were operating a motor vehicle that day?
Yes, sir.
And did you have a valid driver's license when you were operating that motor vehicle?
I woke up in the ambulance, Your Honor. I had my ID on me. I don't remember them asking me for it.
I just asked you, did you have a valid driver's license?
No, I don't. I never had a license. I had my ID on me though. Yes.
Okay, you never had a license, so that's all I need. You were operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. You never indicated to the court you never had a license, so I can find you guilty based on that. For the amended count of failure to display a valid driver's license, I'm going to fine you $240, and the rest of the cases that we call are going to be dismissed for the various reasons that we indicated into the record. So 240. Let's also call at this time the City of Detroit versus DeAndre Jordan Little, case number SP 142-855-2, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right, I wish I would have known these cases were up. We could have had a global resolution. Let's offer him an improper plate for this unregistered, untitled, another 240. That'll will dismiss the other 2 cases. That's going to be a no abstraction offense. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment of the $240 fine. Those are the 3 new cases that you got. You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can go through the same process that you went through on these cases if you choose to. What would you like to do, sir?
These are the new tickets you're talking about?
These are the new ones, yes.
Yeah, I got my title. I don't got the registration to the car though. I just had bought it and I was bringing it back home. That's how I got pulled over. But I got the title, Your Honor. Anything else?
I understand that. We're talking about resolving these cases, right? And if you take this deal today, I'm almost positive it's going to be a better deal than if you come back. They're probably going to offer you another failure to display. I'm offering you an improper plate, an opportunity to pay another $240, and I'll dismiss. So you'll come out of this with no misdemeanor at all.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we do it like that. Yeah, that's perfect, Your Honor.
All right. So let's draw your attention back to January 31st, 2023, at around 2:23. Strike that 2:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Chalmers Street. So, have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department.
Yes.
On that date, sir, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And during the officer asked you to produce valid registration for that vehicle?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
Why is that?
I had just bought the car, bringing it back to my grandma's house, so I didn't get the chance to further that process as far as getting the registration, insurance, and plates.
Yeah, the only problem with that is, sir, you put the cart before the horse. You keep doing that. You get a car without having a valid driver's license. So you weren't going to be able to get I don't know. I can't say you weren't.
Oh no, I
gonna
was
be
gonna drive. I was gonna drive it back home and catch the bus to work like I've been doing.
I know. Everybody's gonna catch the bus. Everybody's gonna catch the bus, Mr. Little, before they get their driver's license, right? This $240 fine, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates. That is a misdemeanor, but I told you I dismissed that misdemeanor upon payment of $240. This will not abstract to the Secretary of State, and it won't have any license repercussions. With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other 2 counts.
So stipulated.
All right, very well. So I got 240 and 240. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees, sir. Hold you responsible to pay the reinstatement fees. When can you pay?
I could make a payment on the 24th of March and the 9th. I mean, the 9th of April, if that's okay. The 7th of April, if that's okay.
So March and April, I'm gonna give you 30 days. 4/14/2023. That's April the 14th, 2023. Come back on that morning and we'll close these matters out accordingly, all right?
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, Mr. Little, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day.
Thank you. What date, Your Honor? The 14th?
April the 14th.
You want me to zoom back in at 9 o'clock?
At 8:30, 8:25. Be up in there 8:25. I just want to make sure all these things are paid and we'll close them out.
Oh, yeah, they definitely will be paid, Your Honor, by April 7th. I appreciate the date that you gave me, time frame. You have a blessed day.
You have a better one, sir. God bless. Mr. Elwood Berry, can you join the breakout room and speak to Mrs. George? Mr. Tuttles, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing today?
Very well. Who's your client?
It's a Brandon Love. He should be in the waiting room. He should have 2 matters. Okay, he should have 2 matters in front of you, but mistakenly they sent him to Judge Jones in 235. 435, I apologize. So what we would like to do with Mr. Love is get an adjourned pretrial date. This is my first day on Mr. Love's matter.
What's Mr. Love's middle name?
Well, I know it's Brandon. I don't have his middle name handy. He's on Zoom
Dimitri
now.
Blake.
What's your date of birth, sir?
12/12/1992.
City of Detroit versus Brandon Dimitri Blake Love. Case number SP 14325-881, SP 1432594, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1433602, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Antonio D. Tuttles on behalf of my client. That is one, Mr. Brandon Love, who is physically not in your courtroom at this time. However, Mr. Love is present via Zoom. Mr. Love, state your name for the record, please.
Brandon Dimitri Blake Love.
All right, today is the date and time. We'll call it arraignment. Go ahead for arraignment purposes, counsel.
Your Honor, for the arraignment purposes, we do waive the formal reading of the complaint and stand mute, and we would like a pretrial date.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond, and you want a pretrial date. Why is Love under 435 too? Is that just a typo there?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Give them a pretrial date. Pretrial date is going to be April the 3rd. Can I get that summary, please? I thought I did. April the 3rd, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Does he want to take the better driver's course? Well, it's no sense in going to pretrial with this case because this is a disregarding the officer's signal. So the city's going to want to speak with the officer and say, may as well straight to trial.
We could do that, Your Honor.
Then I'm going to put the better driver's course to mitigate this careless driving. If he chooses to, he can take the ahead of that. He can take the better driver's course. I'll just provide that as an option for you in case the officer shows up and is prepared to go to trial on it. That would be something to mitigate. So I'll put that in the chat. You can send that to me ahead of time, Mr. Love. If you choose to do it, that's totally up to you. I'm going to set a trial date in the matter for May the 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right. If it's nothing further,
That's May 11th.
May the 11th at 9 a.m.
At 9. Thank you. Mr. Love, we'll talk a little later. Thank you, John.
All right.
All right, very well. Brother, have a very good day. Good luck to you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, where is Mr. Garner? Is Mr. Garner ready?
I'm right here.
Your Honor, the only response that I've received with regards to an amended offer would be allowing, and I was attempting to see if he could just admit to the defective brake lights instead, but I did not get a response to that.
Well, sometimes you got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them, Miss Harris.
So, Mr. Gardner, they are amending to allowing an unlicensed person to drive. It doesn't abstract. It's, yeah.
Good. What we do now?
I don't fault your counsel for always trying to do better for her clients. Actually, I appreciate that. But like I say, sometimes you got to know when to hold and know when to fold. She's achieving the result, I'm sure, that you want, just at a little bit higher cost. All right, so let's go back on the record for Mr. Marcus Dion Garner. Mr. Garner, I've given your counsel an opportunity to pre-try the case, indicated that the initial offer was failure to display. Now the revised offer, after she's worked on this, is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That's going to be the same $240 fine. However, it does not abstract to the Secretary of State, so you won't have any further license implications as it relates to this. And I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment of $240. What would you like to do, ma'am, sir?
Pay the fine.
Pardon me?
Pay the fine.
Very well. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you go over his advice and rights, Mrs. Harris?
No, Your Honor, we were waiting for an amended offer. So if I could have an opportunity to do that, it would be appreciated.
Did we file the cases in the record of the city of Detroit with Marcus Dion Garner? Case number SP 1360441, strike that, SP 136094441 and SP 1362170, counts 1 and counts 2. All right, I'm gonna put you in a break. Rejoin that room, read him his advice or rights, and we'll get him out of here. Find out when he can pay. All right, Ms. Littles. Oh, Mr. Berry is gone. You're in the same situation, ma'am. Ms. Littles, what about your driver's license? What are you trying to do with that?
I'm gonna go get it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been just really like procrastinating on it, but I'm gonna go get it.
I can give you some time to go get it, or you can take the deal. Yours is going to include a $175 blocking traffic as well. 240 plus 175. Okay, what was on? Cord's iPhone. Who's Cord's iPhone? I think we can get Joshua Gordon out of here. Somebody's got an offer. All right, we back?
We're back.
All right, you back, Mr. Garner?
Yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Marcus Dion Garner. Mr. Garner, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Mr. Garner, I already swore you in. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 200, there's 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor,
you
we're
understand-
respectfully requesting a trial date.
What? Oh, how did that change that quick? I could tell he was not enthusiastic about the offer. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
You
Yes,
want a
Your
trial
Honor.
date? Deal is off the table. Give you a trial date. 5/11/2023. Maybe you can get a driver's license within that time. If you don't already have one.
Okay.
All right. Trial date. May the 11th, 2023. 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day.
All right, you as well.
All right.
Right.
All right, let's move on. This is the city of Detroit versus Joshua Perry Gordon, case number state of Michigan versus Joshua Gordon, case number SX4076601, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, please state your name for the record.
Joshua Craig Gordon.
All right, good morning, sir. Today is the date and time set for trial/formal hearing. Do I have a trooper? I believe a trooper on. Right. What did you do to him, Miss Harris?
I advised him of his rights.
Yeah, I can see he was not enthusiastic about taking the plea. All right. I don't see Joshua Gordon's file now. Today is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing. And officer or Trooper Hall, hearing no response. Go ahead, Counselor.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
Dismiss the case based on no officer. There's nothing further, sir. Very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
All right. It's the city of Detroit versus Shakura Lachelle Littles, case number SP 13888807, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 13888812, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, please state your name for the record.
Shakur Lisha Littles.
All right, today is the date and time set for, I don't know what is set for today. Let's see, why?
Pre-trial?
Okay, date time set for a pre-trial. I guess Ms. Littles is gonna try to get a driver's license. I'll offer her the same allowing that you secured for Mr. Garner, that's $240. And for the failure to stop, I'll amend it to blocking traffic, even though she doesn't have a license, apparently, according to what they say. $175. None of those will abstract. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor and close the amended count of blocking traffic out once you pay. And it's got, nothing's gonna, no points to your driver's license. And you have an absolute right to a trial, and I'll give you an opportunity to get a valid driver's license. What would you like to do, ma'am?
I would like the opportunity to get my driver's license.
All right, how long is it gonna take?
Maybe like in the next, I don't know, like 30 days. I probably can get it before then.
We're going to give you 30 days. I'm setting a pre-trial date for April the 14th, 2023 at 8:30. Attempting to get license. All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, make sure you take care of your business and get a valid driver's license. All right, we'll see what we're going to offer you on that day.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right. Great Green.
You say Andre Green?
What's your date of birth, sir?
8/20/80.
What's your middle name? Do you have a middle name?
Marcellus.
City of Detroit versus Andre Marcellus Green. Case numbers SP 1363762, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1389218, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1416244, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 141677771. SP 141677791. They allege that Mr. Green just can't slow down. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Green. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Andre Marcellus Green.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. And I don't know. I know these are just allegations, but I don't see how somebody that, if the allegations are true, that doesn't have a driver's license, it can allow their conscience to allow them to go 31 miles an hour over the speed. I don't know. And 26 and 16 to 20 and another 30 plus mile an hour over speed and 25, 21, 25. I guess it won't sink in until somebody gets killed. But
that's not the case, Your Honor. It was.
All right.
That's not the case.
I said if it's, you heard me say if it's just allegations. It doesn't have to be true. I said if it is true. I didn't say it was true.
No, I mean the statement that you made saying that somebody, I'm not going to be satisfied.
Never mind, Mr. Green.
That was.
Be quiet,
Okay.
Mr. Green.
Let him talk. Let him talk. Go ahead, talk.
No,
Your
I
Honor,
was.
it looks like a candidate for the driving course.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it would. That's a no-brainer there.
Yeah.
I put the course in the chat. I'll repopulate it. That's if he wants to take it or not.
Yes, I would.
I guess I should say, if the allegations are true, then, but it won't slow down until you kill somebody? Maybe is that a better choice of words?
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Green? Is that
Yes,
a
sir.
better choice? Yeah, all right. Yeah, I don't want to imply that you want to kill somebody. I doubt that very seriously. But it can very easily happen going 31 miles an hour over the speed limit. Let me see what the ticket says. That's just what they. Here's a failure to stop at the intersection on one. I don't have the actual ticket here for the other. Okay, what do you want to do? I don't know if you got even eligible for a license. I'll set aside the defaults on the case that I call in the record. What do you want to do with these tickets, sir? You have an absolute right to a trial. I put the better driver's course in the chat. I don't know how far or how soon you can attempt to get a driver's license, and I don't know if you have one or not, or if you've ever had one. I'll give you an opportunity to do that, and I can let you speak to Mr. Berry, or I can just get him an offer, and he can take the deal or choose to take the deal if he doesn't. If not, what would you like to do, Mr. Green?
Could I speak to my attorney?
Sure. All right, what's going to be happening with Miss George?
I'm sorry, sir.
Miss George, Your Honor, we're probably going to have to pull her out of the breakout room. I believe she understands now what we're going to attempt to do in terms of her getting her license back.
All right, I'm trying to pull her out. I'm going to put Mr. Green in. And then if you can join that room, follow up with Miss George, see what she wants to do, and then talk to Mr. Green.
All right.
And then I will, do we have anybody ready, Miss, let's call Jalen Gray. This is the city of Detroit versus Jalen Alexander Gray, case number SH1000854, 1, 2, and 3, and SP1298756, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Shara Harris on behalf of Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, please state your name for the record.
Jalen Gray.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Let's take care of the cases. I think there was one offer, and that was a failure to display. Officer Thornton on SH1. How is Officer Thornton? No. Okay. Officer Thornton has SP1298756. We'll handle the other cases, the SH1000854, counts 1, 2, and 3. Is there an officer Michelle? Hearing no response, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
We will grant that motion to dismiss, no officer. Then on the other two matters, it's pleading the one and dismissing the one. That's a failure to display and dismissing the equipment violation. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, I haven't been able to get one with these matters at hand.
All right. So at the end of the day, The failure to display is $240 is gonna abstract to your driving record. He did have the no insurance that was preventing him from getting a license.
Your Honor, this officer checked in?
Yes, he did. According to, I think I remember him checking in. Talk to Mr. Goss. I think I remember him. That's why I didn't give these officers the opportunity to leave either. So I don't know. But I think I remember that officer checking in. Talk to Mr. Goss about it. All right. I'll pass the matter and give you an opportunity to talk. He has a failure to display. He has a driver's license suspended and equipment violation. All right. Mr. George, are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss George. All right, Miss George, now do you understand what's going on, ma'am?
Yes.
What do you want to do?
Get my license and take care of this matter.
Very well. I'm going to allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front on SP 124-32861. That's going to require you to come down to the courthouse, pay $45 up front on that matter.
I can do that today.
There's going to be a special note in there just for you, Miss George, that I allowed you to do that. And that will send you an abstraction to the Secretary of State. I would wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State to see if they'll give you a valid driver's license. If they don't give you a license after that, then they should tell you exactly what is affecting your ticket, case numbers, and courthouses and all. And then if it's something still here, we'll see what we can do. When are you're going to come down today and pay that $45, correct?
Correct.
I'm going to set a pretrial date for April the 3rd, 2023 at 8:30. That pretrial, have a valid license, valid registration and insurance, and we'll see what we'll do with these tickets, all right? You said you sent me that other stuff. I'll review that stuff.
Yeah. Is it any way I can come sooner than that?
No.
No.
No. April the 3rd, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Andre Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he revealed himself with the offer to take the driver's course and return for a trial date.
All right, a trial date? All right, very well. Trial. You can, I don't know if anything here is affecting your license. It doesn't appear that it is. Hopefully you can come back with a valid driver's license as well. The trial date is going to be April the 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I put the course in the chat, sir, and my email address. So you can take a screenshot of that, all right?
Okay.
You have any further questions, Mr. Green?
No, sir, I don't. Will I be able to screenshot the chat after we finish?
No, I think you need to screenshot the chat while you're on here now.
Okay, I'm looking at how to do it now.
Hit the chat button. My email address is there in the chat. Send me the class before you come back, okay?
Yes, sir.
If nothing further, sir. You have a very good day. Good luck to you. And you can stay on until you get that together, till you get that.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go down to, yeah, we're very well. Let's go down to, all right, Miss Harris, can you go in that breakout room and see what Corporal Hope wants for Lovely? Lovely. It's a civil infraction, and the city's like, hey, you can handle that. We can bring Corporal Hope out right now. And you can do it on the record. This is the city of Detroit versus James Gregory Lovely. Case numbers SP 1432740, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lovely. State your name, Mr. Lovely.
James Gregory Lovely.
All right, Mr. Lovely, the Corporal Hope, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Corporal Kenneth Hope, badge 444, Detroit Police Corps.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter of an informal hearing. This is a expired plates and no insurance. Do you have plates and insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, Corporal Hope, would you be willing to accept showing the plates and insurance and dismissing the cases or not?
Absolutely.
Let's see what you have, sir.
This is the registration.
All right. That ends at the end of this year, correct? Slide it over a little bit.
Which to the left?
Yeah, to your, yes, to your left. A little bit more. All right, I'm satisfied with the registration. I need that file. All right, let's see what you got for us insurance, Ms. Love. Bring it back a little bit. All right, over, let's see back a little bit more. See if we can see the expiration date. Okay, very well. I'm satisfied. You satisfied, Corporal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to dismiss the matters for providing valid documentation. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I appreciate your patience. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too.
Thank you. All right, Corporal, I appreciate you. Have a very good day. Be safe out there, all right? All right, let's move on.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes, Mr. Green. How you
Andre Green. I don't see the class in the
go down to the bottom of the screen.
Yes.
You should have a if you tap your screen, you should see a chat sign.
Yes.
I'm gonna repopulate it again.
Okay.
You should see a chat sign there.
Okay, yes. I got it now. Thank you.
Take a screenshot of that, please.
Yes, I did. Thank you so much.
All right, very well. All right, this is the city of Detroit. Press lead this here.
Ready?
What are you
Ready
on?
Mr. Gray.
All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Jalen Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given your counsel opportunity to pre-try the case. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Yeah, at this time, the offer has been amended. He could admit responsibility to the improper equipment, and the license matter would be dismissed.
I don't know how much better you can do with that, Mr. Gray. Admit to the improper equipment, and they'll dismiss that's just a civil infraction. It does not abstract at all.
Okay.
What would you like to do, sir?
Admit to the improper equipment.
$120 fine. All right, that's for purposes of this plea. Who was the officer here for? As for purposes of this plea, the client admit to stipulate to the basis of the ticket as an actual basis for the responsible plea counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for dismissal of the matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count. Well, as charged, improper $120, sir. What can you say?
Did he call my name?
$120. When can you pay? Unmute yourself, Mr. Right.
Yes, I'm unmuted now.
When can you pay?
I can pay the $120 today. Actually, would I be able to pay it online?
You'll be able. I would pay it at the DivDad kiosk. That's the quickest way. I'm going to give you till 3/21 to get that money here, and then we'll close it out. Pay it at the DivDad kiosk. They're all around the city, or you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. All right.
Okay. Is there actually? I have a doctor's appointment today around that time, so could I make that a different
That's why
time?
I'm giving you till. That's why I'm giving you the March 21st for the money to get here.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Anything further, sir?
No.
All right. On the iPhone, what's your name, please? Have a good day, Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray.
Thank you. You have a blessed day.
All right. Now let's go gas away. The city of Detroit versus James. Are you gonna try to get an amended offer on gas away too? Harris, he's got a failure to display, $240 fine. The other tickets are going to be dismissed because the officer did not show. And that's a driver where I like to revoke as well.
And which officer appeared today?
Borsch appeared. I remember him being here.
Yes, Your Honor. I will attempt to get a different offer.
All right, we'll wait on that. They Gunter. See where
Yes.
Mr. Gunter is. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I don't see you on the docket, sir. What is your full name?
My full name is Jonathan Elliott Gunter.
Joneathan.
It's on page 1 near the bottom. Or in the middle, kind of, sort of. Is your middle name Elliott?
Yes.
Yes. City of Detroit versus Jonathan Elliott Gunter, case number SP 1111350, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gunter. State your full name, sir.
Jonathan Elliott Gunter.
All right, today is the date time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, or give your client a $0 bond. And thank you so much. He come right on time.
I know, thank you.
I thought he brought you. Did he bring you?
That's
useless. You wasted your time. He never did fix that thing. Is that thing still? All right. Let's go $0 bond. Enter not guilty plea on his behalf. He has you have a valid license, registration, and insurance, Mr. Gunter?
I'm working on that right now. I'm trying to get my trying to get my chauffeurs, but I had to come down there and clear up.
He's going all the way up to chauffeur's license.
Yeah, because I ain't gonna lie, I work for a moving company and I've been doing it for so long, and I'm only at this level. I'm trying to go ahead and step up. And the only way I can do that is go ahead and get my L straight. So I'm trying to go ahead and get my chauffeurs. But when I went down there to clear it up, they said, "Oh yeah, you got a warrant." I'm like, "A warrant for what?" And they popped up this case right here, and this from 2020, and I had drove my brother's car because he had just bought a car, but I was taking to his house.
Stop. Now you're talking too much.
I mean, yeah. I mean, it was me. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it was me. I ain't trying to.
There you go. You don't want to listen.
All right, man. All right.
You know, this is not the time and place to confess all your sins. All I ask.
I'm trying to get it past me, man. I'm just trying to get it past me. That's it. Trying to be done with it.
What?
Yeah, just trying to be done with it.
That's why you're here, but you don't have to tell on yourself.
Got you.
All right. Let's see. I don't know why you can't go to the Secretary of State and get a license. Let's see. Run his driver's license, please. You're gonna go from not having a drive. Have you ever had a driver's license, sir?
Nope.
He's gonna go from not having a driver's license all the way up to a chauffeur's license. I like that.
Yeah. Only one way to go.
All right. Let's run his driver's license. I can give him time to get a chauffeur's license if they'll give him one. Who's that on there?
Jeffrey Woodard.
Oh, you had to cut. Come on, Mr. Woodard.
What, man? Well, come on, what?
Come on, what? Put some clothes on.
I just woke up. What you want me to say?
Yeah, well, you go get to sleep then. Don't come in my court without a shirt on, just waking up late.
I'm about to put one on.
Late. Come on, what? Did you say?
Hey, let's get shit out of here.
All right. He's got
Hey fans, Robert Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here.
It appears that you're eligible.
Okay.
I'd definitely work on getting the chauffeur's license, but I think you might have to get a valid license first.
Okay.
But anyway, I'll leave that up to you and the Secretary of State. How much time is it going to take you to do this?
I ain't gonna even lie to you, Arn. I'm trying to jump on that like ASAP. I was just waiting for this court date. Oh, I just thought about it. I can't do nothing till after April 20th because I got to get my birth certificate. Yep. So after April, I got an appointment with to go pick up my birth certificate April 20th. So after that, that's when I can go to the Secretary of State and get this ball to roll.
All right, I'm gonna give you 60 days pre-trial. May the 15th. Come on back. Let's see where you are with it. All right.
Okay, sounds good to me, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good night, sir. Good luck.
Okay. What time is that?
8:30.
Okay.
All right. Did you work out gas away?
Your Honor, because the original charge is driving on a revoked license, the policy in the office, it has to remain as it's written. So I can't get any amendment.
That wasn't the case for the other people, was it?
I don't think anyone else had driving on a revoked. Not that I recall.
Thought that's what one of the other persons had.
Suspended, yes, but revoked, I don't think so.
That's what they revoked. I don't know what the difference is. What's the difference between suspended and revoked? You can't drive. You're not supposed to drive, right?
Right, but suspended is more of a temporary. Revoked sounds permanent, but I could be wrong.
Well, it sounds good. All right, what's the young lady that was on here? Young lady that I let in the zone room.
You must not have that.
Young lady on the iPhone.
Yes.
Where are you, ma'am?
Yoko Lewis.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I did it already. I don't know if she even
Mr. Whittier, you might want to mute your device. We're not on your case just yet.
City of Detroit versus Yoko Yanis Lewis, case number SP 120-73101. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Yoko Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial on the matter. Is there Officer Abu Baker? All right, I thought I saw him come in the room, but I'm not in the business of trying to remember who's come in and who's left. So go ahead, make your motion, counsel.
Move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. I asked Mr. Goss, and I don't know if Mr. Goss even spoke with them because I did ask him for, I don't know if Mr. Lewis was in here at the time. I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. It's going to be dismissed without prejudice, ma'am. They have a right to rewrite if it's something that wasn't, if he chooses to. All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus James Gassaway, case number SP 129-0636, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 129-13351, SP 131-1535, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gassaway, please state your name for the record.
James Gasaway.
All right, today is the date and time set for, good morning to you, Mr. Gassaway. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Officer Grosh showed up. He's not here now. As for Officer Eric Brown, you want to make a motion for Officer Eric Brown?
Your Honor, defense moves to dismiss.
All right, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss based on no officer. Mr. Goss, you said. Gasaway, did you take the driving course?
I sure did.
Oh, well, if I'm not mistaken, Mr. Goss may be in the courtroom. I would hope that that would change the offer.
Driver. You said Gasaway?
Gasaway, yes. Gasaway. Where did you send that course? Did you send that to me?
Yes.
And
I sent it again today, before we started court.
and what email did you send it from?
It should be courts core 2380 at icloud.com.
Or 2380. I don't have that. You sent it to mine. Can you resend it to me?
Yeah, yeah, I can.
I'll put my email address in the chat.
Was Miss Lewis free to leave?
Miss Lewis, you're free to leave.
Yes,
I
I
don't
just
know.
had a question though, so that's why I
What's
didn't
your
leave. When do I have when do I like return back? Do I come back next month or something?
Oh, you got your case dismissed.
Okay, cool. Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, man.
You too. Oh, yeah.
Some of these other officers they don't have any cases to it. Presley, we already took care of him. That's Spidell is doing it here. I didn't see, he is Woodard. Okay, Woodard is here. So can you talk to Spidell? What was up? 21 to 25 over, no ops. And then a license improper. Spidell has a license improper and 21 to 25 over. And the other officer who's not there, has he taken the thing? All right, just at least talk to him. I'll bring him. We can do it all on the record. Oh, okay. We can do it all on record. Miss Lewis. She's gone.
She's gone.
Oh, good. Yeah. I got something here. Oh no, that's not Gasaway. Go ahead, what are you saying?
It looked like if he paid it's the fee,
But some of the stuff is gonna be dismissed as of today because they didn't have, so that's one of them.
Is it okay?
One of them.
SP 131155351.
That would be dismissed on the deal today, but on the other one would be dismissed.
He still had to get a mistake.
Yeah, okay.
And we can, for the officers who did not appear to be dismissed, though, the other ones, he can come back with a driver's license. So if he paid a mistake, he should be able to drive.
Even on the driver's license revoke?
It looked like he should be eligible.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gasaway. Mr. Gasaway.
Yes.
It appears that if I allow you to pay this reinstatement fee up front, you can potentially go get a driver's license.
Okay.
The city would like to see you, and I would like to see you with a valid driver's license. So what we'll do is, for the cases we called that the officer didn't show, we'll dismiss those cases. You have an ink pen, sir?
Yes, I do.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, SP 13115351.
Repeat it again.
SP 13.
SP or ST?
SP.
Okay.
S is in Sean, P is in Paul. Or Perkins. 13.
Okay.
115351. Come down to the courthouse and pay $45 up front. It appears that you'll be eligible for a license. You wait 48 to 72 hours and then go to the Secretary of State. Wait 48 to 72 hours after you pay that $45 and then go to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
All right. So when are you going to be able to pay that $45?
Give me like 2 weeks.
All right, I'm going to give you a pre-trial date for. I'm going to give you 30 days to come on and pay that, and then go get a license on April 14th, 2023. You need to have a valid driver's license.
Okay.
April, that's going to be your next court date. April the 14th, 2023.
All right, sounds good, Judge.
Okay, if there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right. Mr. Woodard's Corporal Spidell is here. So we'll call the cases into the record. And then we will, Mr. Goss is going to sign on and talk to the officer. This is the City of Detroit versus Jeffrey Renard Woodard, case number SP 124-31881, SP 131-6291, count 1 and count 2. Here for the record, please.
Elwood F. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Woodard. State your full name, Mr. Woodard.
Jeffrey Woodard, Jeffrey Renard Woodard Bay.
Say what? What, state your name again, please?
Jeffrey Renard Woodard Bay.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. I'm gonna have him speak with Corporal Spidell is here. So let him get an offer. We'll present that to your client, and we'll see what he wants to do. Officer Presley.
What is this concerning? What case is this?
We'll talk to Mr. Woodard. Just.
I'll let him know in a second. Officer Presley, we called your case as your client. I mean, your Mr. Little took a deal.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Have a great
Have a good
day.
day. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, Mr. Woodard, your charge. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Woodard. His charge is a no operator's license on person, an improper license. Both of those 93-day misdemeanors and up punishable by 93 days and up to $500 in fine, and a civil infraction of driving 21 to 25 miles an hour over the speed limit and that's a 4-point offense. Those are the 3 charges that you're here for today.
Okay, when all this happened? I don't even know when this happened.
Let me put him in a breakout. Let me put him in a breakout. Join the room and wait on the attorney to come. You got an hour.
Limited access 16.
And dismiss another 2.
One officer in the show.
Breakout room. What the fuck is that? What's a breakout?
Okay, limited access 6 to 10. That's going to be a $135 fine with 1 point. Join the breakout room and speak to Mr. Barry. All right.
How you breakout room? What's breakout room?
Corporal Spidell, can you put your appearance? Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Corporal Spidell, Batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
Your Honor, I apologize. Can you restate your name, Corporal?
Corporal Spidell, Batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
All right. I'm waiting to see. I'm sure he's probably going to take the deal. I don't know. But Mr. Barry is speaking to him now. Excuse me. Oh, Latham was here. Well, is there Latham out there?
It's out there in the hallway. Miss Latham was supposed to go to the court before 25.
Oh, she's on the docket here.
Oh, yeah. I thought she was for 25.
Late
What time?
at 8:30, 8:45.
Oh, maybe she had, let me write this one her name. Sometimes they have more tickets. Faith Latham.
That's what I have.
Maybe, you sure it was Faith?
I don't know if it was fake, but I know it was late.
Okay, let me check the 425, that calendar. And see what's in there. Last night was late, right?
Yeah.
Today is the 14th. Let's see. Because that was the one, if I'm correct, that was the one that Peoples came in with the card, remember?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't see.
No, there was another, I think it was 2 people that came in. Latham was not one that came in with the card.
Oh, okay. I don't know if,
Latham's supposed to be here. She sat right up front.
that, I think that was the one. Faithfully. I think,
She's supposed to be here today.
yeah. I like to call people because I think, because I'm looking at the calendar and I don't know.
No, Peoples brought Latham in. The other officer brought that card
Okay.
for somebody else.
Let me see if there's anybody in the hallway, because I thought that was the lady that people was talking about, she was supposed to go to 425 on Zoom. And then only the person we had was the house counsel that stood in for. Let me see.
Okay, we're back on the record with Mr. Woodard. Mr. Woodard, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Mr. Woodard would avail himself of the offer to enter a plea to limited access 6 to 10 over, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Woodard?
Yes, sir, Judge.
Okay. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, and as for SP 1241, strike that, SP 124-31881. Is there an Officer Frazier? Officer Frazier, hearing no response, want to make a motion on that, Counselor?
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. Failure of an officer to appear.
I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss, no officer. Basically, I'm amending the 21 and 25 over to limited access, 6 to 10, $135, 1 point on your driver's license. When can you pay the 135, Mr. Woodard?
Well, I know I can pay a portion of it on the first when I get my first of the month check. So I say like I can pay 50 on the first, and then probably a week later I can pay another 50. 30 days would be good if I can get 30 days.
All right. I'm going to give you till April the 14th, 2023 to pay it off. All right.
I just go down to 36th district.
No, you don't have to. You can do that, or you can pay at the DivDat kiosk.
Yeah.
The DivDat kiosk will you can make partial payments on there. DivDat kiosk is in the Myers, CVS's, and things like that. Or
Okay. All right, thanks, Judge.
Or you can put the app on your phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Corporal Spidell. All right, hold on 1 second. Let's make sure that Miss Latham is not in the hallway because she was here today.
I text two people. I text people and I ask my else to assist us.
All right.
Did you tell me to come back?
No, you don't have to come back. You don't
Oh,
have
okay,
to
I
come
thought
back.
you said hold on. I thought you said hold on. Okay,
Well,
I'm all
just
done,
make
Judge.
You're all done. Just make sure you pay it by April the 14th.
All right, thanks. Have a good
All
one.
right, thanks.
Yeah, you